Hello everyone, I am Jigyasa Chandani and I'm a tarot reader. First of all, I wish you and your family a very happy new year. So guys, let me tell you, I'm not at home. I'm actually in a very beautiful property in Jaipur called Fairmont. मैं यहाँ आई थी for a family friend's wedding to celebrate her wedding as well as New Year's Eve. And I wanted to shoot a video here क्योंकि यहाँ की vibes इतनी positive है and ये property कितनी beautiful है इसलिए. So today we are going to see what are the messages and guidances for 2021. Guys, it's a collective reading, so take whatever resonates to your situation and leave the rest. Let me also tell you that the audio clarity may not be there. So I'll try my best कि audio clarity रहे, but there is a lot of disturbance in the background. Any which way, just a heads up. So let us begin. So from the tarot deck we have messages. Okay. So from the tarot deck, the first card that we have is the Fool. So of course the new beginnings, a lot of beautiful beginnings. So we have to just take the leap of faith and go with the flow. The Fool card होता है new beginnings का, traveling का. There is a lot of uncertainty in the air कि कैसा होगा ये साल, will it be like 2020 or will it get better? So only time can tell, but we have to just go with the flow. जैसे जैसे चल रहा है वैसे चलते जाना है हमें. And also we also have to take care, be careful, but also we have to have that spirit of adventure in us, and you know, that spirit to find new things. अगर आपको नई चीज़ें ट्राई करनी है तो आप वो इस साल में कर सकते हो. इफ यू वांट टू टेक न्यू कोर्सेज, या आपको न्यू जॉब करनी है, या एक नया रिलेशनशिप को परस्यू करना है, या किसी क्रश को परस्यू करना है, सो दिस कार्ड सेज गो फॉर इट. There will be issues, but you will figure it out on the way. Also, there are warning signs, but still you have to just take the leap of faith और अपना जो comfort zone है उससे बाहर निकलो. Okay, so the next card is Nine of Pentacles. हो सकता है किसी किसी के लिए लग्जरी बढ़ जाए, उनकी फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन लास्ट ईयर से बेटर हो जाए. देयर विल बी समथिंग मिसिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि देयर विल बी एनीथिंग, सब बहुत पूरा पड़ जाएगा, बट things will get better. At the same time, if you want to attract beautiful relationship in your life, तो वो भी होगा. मेल या जो भी सिंगल बैचलर्स है उनके लिए ब्यूटीफुल लड़की आ सकती है जिंदगी में, एक ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप आ सकता है, वाइस वर्सा. एट द सेम टाइम नाइन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स है, तो हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आप प्रॉपर्टीज में भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. मे बी द मार्केट मे नॉट बी गुड, बट द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर सम ऑफ यू मे बी देयर to invest in properties and to invest in new business and to attract beautiful luxurious life. So what else do we have for 2021? Page of Swords again, new beginnings. अच्छा, किसी किसी को अगर वो कॉल का इंतजार है, a lot of people keep thinking, will I get that call from your ex or from a friend or from a potential lover? वो कॉल जरूर मिल जाएगा. किसी किसी को ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि does he miss me or does she miss me, or do they want to call me? So you will get that call. They are probably looking at you from far away also and stalking you on social media or apps. And also if you want to find love, you may find it on a dating app or a matrimonial app. So try your luck online. Okay. Also, if some of you who want to start a new business, agar especially an online startup, now is the time. You can go for it. Just go with the flow. Just go for it. All right. Next card. What is next card? Oh, we have Knight of Swords. So you need to take action. आपको comfort zone से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. Take action. हो सकता है रास्ते में problems आए, but you have to take action for your goals or for making your life better. There may be argument with some people. अगर किसी की कोई लड़ाई चल रही है तो वो भी sort out हो जाएगी, but आपको first step उठाना पड़ेगा for the confrontation or for some kind of issues. अच्छा, जो लास्ट ईयर सिचुएशन थी, हो सकता है कि उससे सिचुएशन बेटर हो जाए, but it will improve gradually. Oh, so sorry for this. The situation is going to improve gradually. It won't improve overnight. So we all have to keep patience, but also keep taking action towards better future. All right. King of Wands. अगर आप किसी पैशनेट रिलेशनशिप का इंतजार कर रहे हो, so now is the time. You will get a very beautiful and passionate relationship in your life, which will be nurturing, which will be passionate, which will be full of adventure. और business perspective से भी देखो किसी के लिए, especially fire signs, Aries, Sagittarius and Leo, तो आपके लिए business sense से या career में बहुत ही amazing होगा. अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है तो जरूर सक्सेस मिलेगी, बट अगेन यू हैव टू टेक एक्शन एंड यू हैव टू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड टुवर्ड्स योर करियर एंड गोल्स. ओके, सो नाउ we'll see from the oracle deck what are the messages for 2021. Let's begin. Okay, so the first card is we have get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitives, connect with the nature. So you have to get grounded, you have to meditate, get in touch with yourself and with your inner intuition. Listen to your intuitions, it will really help you. And if you really want to take risk for a better future, you should do that. Okay, so let us check. Oh wow, no. Wait, postpone, pause, say no. If you were in a toxic relationship या कोई चीज़ है जिससे आप बहुत uncomfortable हो रहे हो, so say no. Also, you need to have some amount of patience. Okay, have some kind of patience towards your whatever you want. You have to have patience. Don't rush into it. Yes, take risk. Yes, go for it. But also think practically, because there is, as I said, some kind of risk factor. So you need to think practically and just go for it. Okay, and by go for it I mean yes, pursue your goals, but also take care of the risk. And if you are not comfortable, as I said, then say no. Okay, so the next card is protection. Call back your power, cut the cords. See, I told you need to cut cords with negative people in your life. There are a lot of negativity that will be around, and you'll be surrounded by it. So you need to cut cords. अगर आपको किसी कॉल का इंतजार है, but again you think it was a toxic relationship, or it could be friends, it could be the job that is not good for you, you need to cut the cords. You have to let it go. You have to say no. Also, अगर आपकी कोई अनहेल्दी पैटर्न्स है जिंदगी में, अनहेल्दी हैबिट्स है, आप प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते हो बहुत ज़्यादा, या you don't really work towards your goals, then you have to say no to that kind of behavior. ये भी हो सकता है. You have to say no to that kind of a behavior. Okay. So sorry. So again from we have Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundations, divine plan. There is always divine timing. हो सकता है कि अभी तक किसी भी चीज़ का आपको इंतज़ार था, वो चीज़ नहीं हुई है, is because the timing wasn't right. You were just laying the foundation. अभी तो टाइम स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो वो डिवाइन टाइम 2021 में आपको आएगा to start that business, to get that new job, to pursue that new relationship. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा अभी तो मेरी लाइफ में सब बुराई होता जा रहा है, but this year seems positive. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place right now. सब गिर रहा है, कार्ड्स गिर रहे हैं, सब कुछ गिर रहा है, but as I said, you were laying the foundation. Abhi universe आपका साथ देगा and you will get that divine timing. So don't worry about it and go for it. Alright, next we have soul family. Call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. So you can take help of family and friends. You can call that family member or a friend, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, or anyone that you really trust to help you out of a situation. If you are in a desperate need of help, please give that call. Don't hold back. Just go for it. Take that risk. अगर आपको किसी फ्रेंड के साथ भी एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है या एक नया रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट करना है, you need to talk to them. Also, if you need to start a business, take help from people. You don't have to do it alone. इतना ज़्यादा burden लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so let's see the last card. What is the last message that we have? Take break. A life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. If you are pushing it too much, some people will just start and they are just going to push it too much because they want to get to this level where they want to be very successful and attract a lot of luxury. We need to take a break. As I said, don't take a lot of burden. Also take help from people. जैसे कि पहले आया था कार्ड में, take help and also इतना burden लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the reading. And this is the message from 2021. If you like my reading, please subscribe to my channel or comment box में ज़रूर बताना if you liked it or did you resonate with it or no. Thank you so much.